Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. We are going to talk about the All India quota 50% expected cutoff for MDMS after the seat increment. So what is the impact after seat increment we are going to see in this video, and what will be the expected cutoff. So as of now, more than 1700 seats are incremented in All India quota 50% for MDMS and diploma. Okay, so definitely there will be impact on the cutoff, and impact on the cutoff will also be due to seat increment in DNB. Okay, and in the coming time, with the rate the seats are increasing, it is expected to increase up to 3000, and we can expect like 1500 seat increment in DNB also. Okay, so considering that some branches may take shift by 2.5 to 3000, and upper clinical branches may take shift around 500, some mediocre branches up to 1.5 thousand, like that. Okay, so if we see that analysis, the radio diagnosis might be available up to 5.5 thousand up to stray vacancy round or mock-up round. Okay, we have not considered a special stray vacancy round because it's not a regular round, but stray vacancy round is a regular round which gets conducted every year, and it's mentioned in the prospectus. EWS candidate can get the seat up to 7.5 thousand, and OBC also up to 7.5 thousand, AC category up to 14,000. If you look at dermatology, it can go up to 8.8 thousand or so. In EWS around 11.4 thousand, in OBC 8.3 thousand, and in SC 28,000. General medicine, the most demanding branch, may close up to 8,000, and in some of the colleges up to stray vacancy round, whereas in EWS up to 9.5 thousand, in OBC around 10.3 thousand, in SC around 29,000. Pediatrics branch can be seen closing at rank of 9.7 thousand general category, in EWS up to 13,000, OBC 11.2 thousand, and in SC category around 32,000. If we look at the OBGY, we can expect the shift around 1,1200 score rank basically, and it can close up to rank of 12,500 to 800. EWS around 16,000 to 16.4 thousand, in OBC 17,000, in SC 33.5 thousand. Orthopedics branch can be seen closing at 12.5 thousand in general, 17,000 in EWS, and 16.7 thousand OBC, 34,000 in SC category. Whereas TB and chest respiratory medicine, where the demand is increased this year and from last couple of years after COVID, so it can be seen closing at around 13.1 thousand rank in general category, 15.7 in EWS category, 15.7 or 8 in OBC, and around 36,000 in SC category. We can see more shift in general surgery up to 14,000 in general surgery in general category rank, in EWS around 15.6 thousand, OBC 16,000, SC around 35,000. Psychiatry medicine up to 15,000. Okay, psychiatry medicine up to 15,000, and EWS you can see up to 33,000, in OBC around 26,000, and SC category around 42,000. Ophthalmology can be expected at the rank of 26,000, EWS up to 29,000 for ophthalmology, and in OBC category around 26.5, for SC category 43,000. ENT also we can see so much of shift positively up to 26,000, it can be closed this year, and for EWS 36,000, OBC 27.5 thousand, SC category 44,000. Coming to last few branches like anesthesia or radio-oncology, it can go up to 29 to 30,000. In EWS around 39,000, OBC around 32 to 34,000, and 45,000 plus in SC category. Okay, pathology can close this year up to 50,000 for general category. Emergency medicine, the seats are less and demand has increased, it can go up to 13,000 or so, and in EWS around 18,000, OBC 14.5 thousand, SA category 33,000. So this is my analysis. Okay, in case you are interested to avail our paid counseling guidance, you can call on 9319128677, and you can visit our website www.neetmentor.o.in. You can avail our packages from there also, or you can contact us for online consultation regarding counseling process. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.